Thanksgiving cat meal. All the cats having Thanksgiving meal as well. Oh, Polo, you beat Pee-Pee-chan. No fighting on Thanksgiving. Hello, Pee-Pee and Mew Mew. Pee-Pee and Mew Mew. Ooh. Then we got pinned down. The great wrestling. Get back to the rim. Pal. Malad. Oh, they're chasing each other. Oh. Steena is making kitty Thanksgiving meal. Eggs and chicken and yam.
Yam is on the side.
Oh wow, so fancy today.
It's Thanksgiving.
Oh, you cooking it? Not even raw.
Of course.
Thanksgiving kitty meal. What are you making now?
Huh? I haven't really decided.
Haven't really decided. You're already opening your fire. Open fire. You get the yam here. Yeah. It had music too. Yeah. You can play music, press it. It'll play. What is this goop you're making? Goopernagulum.
Pink.
Goopernagulum. Is that on the testicle? What kind of goop is she making?
Oh, it's egg.
It's egg.
Egg with yam and chicken.
Yeah.
This is Steena cooking video for cat.
Wow, I'm so glad I brought a polo.
I don't know, it's not sticking together though. It's kind of like a pancake. I'm going with a pancake. I do not know whether or not it'll be a pancake.
Well, even if it's scrambled, it'll make it easier for them to eat, right?
Yeah, but then I can cut it.
Let's see if they like it.
They're better.
Oh, my mind's gonna chuck it down their throat and don't like it.
Chuck it.
No! That's Jenny drunk right there.
Grab a little
Right, it's finished cooking. What are you adding there?
chicken soup.
Chicken soup in the fried egg.
Yeah. You just need to let it cool down before you can feed it to them. There.
Alright, Thanksgiving meal, the real Thanksgiving meal this time for the kitty. Yay, you guys all got it. Do you guys like it? Polo, run away. Oh, Mimu loves it.
Pee-pee.
Our cat likes it. How about you, Polo?
Polo doesn't like it. Eat. No, don't force him. If he doesn't like it, it's okay.
I like it. Mimu loves it. He eats everything.
Maybe like